All right, guys, what's up? Welcome to another episode of Manji TV. We got all these beautiful parts we're going to be installing today, like these Kryptonite upper control arms for this beautiful 2011 GMC 2500 HD for my boy Bowie over here. We'll drop his Instagram in the bio below. Got a bunch of seals and gaskets and ball joints and pitman arms and idler arms and shocks and spacers and a bunch of cool stuff. So some beefy inner and outer tie rods. Those things are massive compared to the factories. So massive. Wow. Those things are beefcake. Some leveling keys. So yeah, let's fucking get it. All right, so this is what it looks like stock. We got the 13/16 nut removed off the outer tie rod. I'm about to smack that. We got the 15mm bolt that runs through the sway bar out. We can actually remove this guy out of there. If you go to the other side, you'll see we've done the same thing. We're gonna go ahead and remove the brake calipers, and then we're gonna work on upper control arms and like shocks and stuff, and then lower ball joints. Okay guys, so we got the torsion keys out, basically all the front suspension apart. Front calipers are hanging by the sway bar and a zip tie. We're about to hit the upper control arm ball joint nut and the lower control arm ball joint nut, and remove the whole knuckle assembly with the rotor still on it and the ABS sensor. We just disconnected the ABS sensor from above the shock. It kind of runs up through there, and then after we do that, we're going to get the upper control arm. Shock bolt is out. The as you can see, so the keys were out. You can see them over there on the table, but keys are just out. We got the torsion keys just sitting forward. You can rotate them. So yeah, that's how we're gonna work on the truck. Basically, we're gonna get this knuckle off, and then we'll show you it after that, and the shock off as well when we do that. And it's basically gonna be time to reassemble it. Also, the inner tie rod's gotta come off. It's this big jam nut. We'll just use a big set of crescent wrench, big adjustable wrench on that thing, and get that off. And so we gotta do the pitman and all that stuff too. So we're gonna get that stuff as well. But yeah, let's keep moving. So quick little update. We got the lower ball joints pushed out with this ball joint puller tool. And we're about to install the second new one over there, but this is the other new one installed on this passenger side. So let's go back over here and let's get this driver one installed, and then once this one's installed, we're gonna continue with the reassembly.
Yeah, I was gonna say.
Okay, so we're working on finishing everything up. We kind of forgot to film everything. Pretty huge. Got the king shock in, got the Kryptonite upper arms in. Everything's gonna get wiped down and stuff. We just kind of are making sure everything works, and then we've torqued some of it. We're gonna go back through and mark all the bolts and make sure it's all good. Finishing up the sway bar bushings here, which don't look like they're fitting correctly. Seem like they're too small. And yeah, you got these Kryptonite tie rods right here, and the upper control arms and the keys looking all nice. Brakes in, got to put the keys in, but she's almost there. All right guys, so got everything installed, looking good. My only real qualm with the kit, the Kryptonite stuff, is no tab for the upper brake line. I think with how much you spend for these parts, that would be an easy provision. So yeah,